Okay, so what's up, guys? Assalamualaikum. So my name is Fachry Fauzan, and as usual, I'm gonna make a video about a tutorial how to make an application with Kodular. And today's tutorial, I'm gonna make an application titled Talk to Me. So this application, help people that cannot hear and cannot speak to express their emotion. Without any longer, let's get into the project. First, open your browser and then uh, type kodular.io like this and then press enter. And then after the Kodular website is shows up, uh, click create apps here and wait the loading's done. Yeah, after a long loadings, let's get into the project. First, create project. Press the create project button here, and then give the project name. So I will give the name of my project, and then something like this, and then click next. So this project configuration is doesn't matter in this project. So maybe we're gonna give the package name something like this, and then click finish. Alright, after the long loadings, let's make the real project because there's too much loading in it. Yeah, so the first things that we need to add is the block. I mean space. Yeah. First, click layout, and then I think general, and then uh, drag the space there, here, and drop on the screen. And then after that, you can set up the width and height. I will use the fill parent width, so it will be a little longer than the default. And then let's add the text box. I will use my fast mode, so I will type here. I will press the you know some the shape like this, and then search button. Press it and search for text box, and then just drag it. I will use my fill parent width as usual, and then let's add the second space. Just use my fast mode again. Use a search button and then search for space, and then after the second space is added, use the width fill parent width. After that, let's use a horizontal arrangement like layout journal and then horizontal arrangement. Place it here, and after that use fill parent width, and then let's use a button. In this project we will use two buttons. So the first button, the function of the first button is for speak, and then the second button is for record. So let's use this button and then place it here, and then use the third space using my fast mode and place it here, and then the second button. Then in the third space we will use automatic width, and then in this button we will use in the second button on the right side we will use record text, and then we can use the shape. I will use round shape because I love round. And then on the first button we will use rounded shape too, and then we will use speak. Let's just adjust this button and space. All the buttons is using a fill parent width, and in this button, on the first button, speak button, let's use something like blue color or something like that, and the record button as usual, like other products, let's use red color for the background, and then set it, and then let's add the text to speech. Press mode again, text to speech, and then just drop anywhere on the screen because it doesn't appear, but it will functional on our project. And then the second invisible component is speech. Speech recognizer, and then drop it everywhere. And the third components, invisible components, is decoration, and drop it everywhere as usual. And then after that we are done with the design, with the the UI, something like that. And then let's go to the blocks tab. Yep. And then without any longer, let's press the screen, this one, and then wait till the blocks appear, and then let's take this one, screen 1, initialize, and place it here. And then let's use the decoration, and then let's use this one, set shape, and then let's use the text box, this one, and then to the under one, and then place it here, and then let's go to the color, this one, let's use white for the background color, and then black for the border color. After that, let's use the matte things, the top one, but before that, let's use the false, the logic one, and then set the round is false. And then after that, let's press the decoration again, and then set padding, and then the component one, let's copy it, but I will use this, and then place the text box one on the component, and then let's get to the math, and then drop on the values. Let's give it 10 number, and then after that, let's erase this block, and then go to the first button, and then when button one click, place it under here, and then go to the text to speech, and then let's choose this one, and then place it inside the button one, and then go to the text box kalimat text, press text box one, and then let's just pick random. We can set up, and then after that, click on the right side, the error text here, wait for a minute, let's use the text, nice, and after that, let's use the second button. When button to click, place it here, and then to go to the speech recognizer, and then get text here, and then go to the speech recognizer, and then let's take the top one, and then go to the text box, pick the dark one. I'll change it first. I'm gonna change it first to text, and pass it inside the speech recognizer, and then let's this one and press it inside the text box text to result, and then just that. So I'm sorry if I have a error. My brain is blank last time. So this function, when the button click or the speak button is clicked, so when we speak, when we speak, I mean the text inside the text box will speak with the smartphone, and then the second button or the record click is record our conversation, record our text, and then make our conversation to the text shape in the text box. And then the speech recognition, after getting text, the result do text box get result, and then maybe after that you can try it on your emulator, something like BlueStack or other studio. And then thank you so much for listening, and then care about my tutorial video. So assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.